Alright guys, I was just walking around to find some units and I found this Coleman right here. I think this has an LG score. This looks new, not gonna lie. Nope, not running. Leave it at alone, okay. Serial number 2018. Like 5-ton, I believe. 13 seer. Cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.